In order to determine whether you have a function or a relation, basically what you're looking for is if a graph is a function, then you're not going to have any x values repeat. It doesn't matter what the y values do, the x's cannot repeat. So x's are bad, y's repeating is okay. So a couple ways you can look at this. You can see it as an ordered pair, a mapping, a graph, or a table. If you're looking for an ordered pair, you want to identify your x's. So notice we have a 1, a 3, a 5, and a 7. Since none of the x's repeat, this is a function. Notice at the bottom we have a 1, a 3, a 1, and we can really stop there because the first time you have any x's that repeat, it is not a function. With a mapping, notice here's our x's, here's our y values. Notice every x goes to a unique y value. So 1x goes to a single y value. Notice over here on the other side, on the right side, the 2 goes to the -8 and the 11, and that's not good. So that x repeats, which means this is not a function. So this is a no, this is a yes. On a graph, notice that on the left side here, none of the dots stack up on top of each other, which means none of the x values are repeating. And since none of the x's repeat, this side over here is a function. On the right side, over on the right, notice that this pair of points right here is on top of each other. That means the x's repeat, and this is not a function. Usually they call this the vertical line test. So this is a no. And the last is looking at a table. Notice on the left side, none of the x values repeat. All of these are unique x values. 1, 2, -5, 7. None of the x's repeat, so this is a function. Notice on the right side here, the 2 repeats. So this is not a function. Going back to the left, notice that the y values did repeat, but the y's can repeat. So this still is a function. And that's how to tell if you have a function or a relation.